When Sea Pines called me and said that they were looking for some help on the renovation of the golf course, I was thrilled. You know, my dad playing in the first Heritage and my history at the Heritage, I was excited to be included on a great team that was already assembled to renovate the golf course. Well, in a renovation of any golf course, our architect at Love Golf Design, Scott Sherman, says most of the money we're going to spend is going to be under the ground. It's infrastructure, it's new grass, new sand, drainage, irrigation, bridges, cart paths, bulkheads have to be rebuilt. If you came and played one year and came back the next year, you won't notice the difference because it will be all under the ground. Now, there are some little tweaks and there's some suggestions, and some of those came from Love Golf Design, but many of them came from the Goodwin family. They've took care of Pete Dye's incredible golf course. They haven't let it change very much, but there are some minor things. Greens shrink over the years, bunkers fail over the years. So there's a list of renovations and maybe some things that got lost over the years and need to be put back. So it's going to be fun to go back to old pictures, go back to old memories from Sea Pines leadership, from McCurrick Golf, who's a great builder that's done all the work here for years and years. So it's going to be fun putting Pete's ideas back in the golf course. The term is restoration or refresh, right? But the bunker at 14 left to the green is famous, and it's kind of changed over the years. There's some things, it's gotten a lot nicer and neater and friendlier over the years, especially out of play. So there's some things to make it look more like the last time Pete was here. And that's the thing we want to do, is honor what Pete and Alice did and everything we do at Sea Pines, and make sure that Pete would approve of everything that we do. For me, it's what I remember as classic. The things that stand out. The bunker left of 16 has always been iconic. Obviously, the lighthouse is what people see, but as a player, we see the fourth green, par 3 over the water. We see the 15th, the height of the pine trees has gotten taller. Now, can we go for the green or not? So little things like that I see from a playing perspective will certainly be a part of the decision-making process. The great thing about Harbour Town Golf Links, and Matt Goodwin reminds us of this all the time, that there is a strategy that Pete Dye put into the golf course. There is a way to play it that any player of any level, whether you're PGA Tour, anybody on the tour, or any amateur, if you play the course the way the architect intended, you can play well. So it doesn't favor a long hitter, it doesn't favor a short hitter, it doesn't favor a great putter. It favors somebody that plays the course smart and plays well. And I think that's the biggest thing, is keep those shot values, keep that strategy in the golf course.